Hi students, welcome to the channel. Our today's topic is key benefits of going green. Also, we can say that we are going to discuss the key benefits of using green cloud computing. As we have already discussed that green cloud computing is a solution that allow users to utilize all the benefits of cloud storage, right? Also decreasing its adverse effects, right? It is used to decrease the adverse effect of cloud computing, right? And the ultimate goal of green cloud computing is to reduce the power consumption of large data centers. There are so many large data centers like Amazon, Google, eBay, etc. Right? All these are the large data center who are using green cloud systems. Okay. And also we have discussed that green cloud computing aims to include energy efficient technology. It uses energy efficient technology. Energy efficient technology means, as we have discussed, that in an IT company there are so many systems or servers used, right? And they need a lot of energy. So if we are using a green cloud system, then it is very energy efficient, right? So this is called energy efficient technology. And it is also environmentally sustainable production. It is also environmentally sustainable production practices, right? And improved waste and recycling procedures, right? So all these are the general benefits of using green cloud computing. Now we will discuss some key benefits, right? So the first key benefit of using green cloud is the green design. It's green design. All right. As designing energy efficient servers, infrastructure, computers, software applications and other digital devices which will reduce the amount of energy. They will reduce the amount of energy consumed in the future, right? So this green design is very important. In general terms, we can also say it as the green cloud is used to save the energy efficient servers, infrastructure, computers, every software applications and some other digital devices, right? So this is the meaning of green design. The next key benefit is green production. Green production, right? As we want to minimize the energy and waste by recycling the repurposing equipment, right? And during the production process, all these are done during the production process of every resource, right? Of digital devices, production process of digital devices, right? And all these digital devices can contribute to a more sustainable environment, right? That's why we use green production in green cloud computing. The third point we have is green usage. Okay. And as we know, the reduction of the amount of energy a product utilizes when in use can reduce up to 27%, right? With the help of green cloud, the energy reduced to 27%, right? 27% of energy is reduced if we use the green cloud computing. So all these are the key benefits of going green, right? Other than these, there are also so many key points, by using which we can save our environment, right? The first point is using sleep mode. Using sleep mode, right? We should use a sleep mode while away from your computer system for an extended amount of time, right? So this is the first and very important point. The next point is turn off computers at the end of the day, right? So we should turn off our computer at the end of the day. The third point we should remember is that consider refurbishing electronic devices rather than buying a new one, right? No need to buy a new system. Everyone should remember this point, that if our old system is in a running state, right, then there is no need to buy a new system. With the help of this point, we can save our environment, right? And the next point we have is recycle electronic waste products, right? This is also very important point. So all these are the key points of going green, or also we can say that all these are the points with the help of which we can save our environment, we can save our earth, right? So I hope you like this video, you understand every point. Thank you so much for watching this video.